is a full Omnistar awning that I fitted onto the van a couple of weeks ago. Hope you can see that alright, and although it's beginning of September, I suppose the end of summer I should say, the sun is trying to come out. So the video you're about to see is how it was fitted. Enjoy. Right, we're in the van. I'm going to show you what I've done or made to support the awning. The kit that comes with it, bear with a minute, the brackets just aren't good enough. They're not suited for the van. They don't tell you this. You buy the awning, it's cost me over 500 quid, then you've got to buy the brackets separate for which type of van you've got. So you'll have to Google it, go to the full website, but they do them there. Brackets cost me 60 quid. So the awning altogether up to now, it's cost me 575 quid. Still a good price for a full Omnistar awning, but they don't tell you that the brackets you have to buy separate. You need to do a bit of googling for that. I'm going to show you now what comes in the kit. Okay, this is what comes in the kit. You get the instructions for the awning. You get some clips that will attach the awning support poles to the side of the van. I won't be using them. You get a variety of covers that once you put your bolts through onto your plate, they fix on it from the inside. If it's showing, mine won't be showing, so I don't need them. Some pegs for the awning. Assorted nuts and bolts in here. Pot rivets. I mean, what the? Unless I'm having a game of crib while I'm doing it, they won't be used. More instructions how to align your awning once you've put it on the side of the van. Brackets, 3 of them, middle, 1 each side. They're no good. That profile, if you can see that, won't fit on the side of my van. I've had to buy my own separate, which I've already mentioned, so I'm going to show them you. They're no good. These are the brackets you need. These are going to hold an awning on. You can see the profile on that. You can see it. Because my van's got a slight curve to the edge of it. If I can show you, that is going to, yep, that's the right way up. That is going to go on like that, and that then tilts the awning out. As you can see, it kicks it out of tilt a bit. Okay, so then we're going on the outside. Well, that's a very thin skin, that. They don't tell you all this, you know, when you buy these stuff. Somebody screws that in with what they give you, that kit. First speed bump you go over, that on will be ripped off and you'll have all big holes in the side of your van. I've made these. These are going to fit on the inside of the van. Outside of the van, against the skin in the middle, that'll be bolted to that. I'll show you in a minute where I'm going to put them. Was they're bolted on, that's not moving. They'll be bolted on with some bolts I've already bought, excuse me, some M6 bolts with a nylon thread I don't know if I've got them with me or not. No. Anyway, they have a nylon thread on the nut that reduces the chance of it vibrating loose, and they will vibrate loose, washers and bolts, unless you use something like a Loctite on them. So just be aware of that. Now I'm going to show you where I'm going to put them. So I've marked on the outside of the van where my brackets are going to go, and it's going to have to butt up to here. I would have liked them there, but because of that weld there, when I show you on the outside of the van, it protrudes off the surface, so the bracket will not fit flush, so it's got to go there. So I've removed, as you see, I've removed the panelling, took the insulation out. That is where it's going to fit. Once that's bolted on, that'll support it through that skin. Okay. So there's two of them. Again, I've removed the panelling and insulation, and hopefully that one is going to go on there. Well, it is going on there, not hopefully, it is going on there. Again, I can't go to the other side of that support beam because there's not enough room, so it has to go there. So I'll put this one on first, and then we'll try and centre the other one, get it all level, and jobs are good. And let's go outside and see what I've marked up for the bracket. One thing, I'll give you a little tip. When you're making this support bracket for the inside of the van, put that on it. See, mine are marked up B. I have A and B. So when the bolts go through, I know that them holes on this are lined up where I've drilled them. I've drilled through them. Fix that on first, then drill through. Fix it on with a couple of screws. Drill through. Moved it up a bit. So hopefully when I push my bolts through, that should fit on the back of it more or less perfect. I'm not going to say it's perfect, but it's going to be near as damn. So just another thing you might want to remember when you're making your brackets. Okay, so I've measured it all up, marked it off for the first bracket, and I've drilled the holes. So we'll get that first bracket in place, and then the second bracket will go there where I've marked off already. This is a 2.6 metre awning, so I brought these in, the centres to spread the weight. Just remember that. Okay, I've drilled the holes for the brackets and I'm going to put them on. Before I do that, I want to make sure I don't get any water. So what I'm going to do with the bracket is, I'll just put the camera down a minute. Along this line here and here, I want to put a coat of silicone. It actually sticks like shit, but it's just as good. And that, hopefully that will stop any water just along that, along this edge here. You see that? This edge here. I'm going to put a coat of silicone, same on the bottom there, and any water then hopefully run along the side of it and just drain off, and that'll stop any water getting through to them holes. But I'll put some round the holes as well, just to cover my backside. So let's go fit the brackets. There we go, that's what fitting the Fuel Omnistar, 2.6 metres with a span of 2 metres. Brackets are all deployed and we're good to go. Just waiting on somebody to come around and give me a hand putting it up. So I'll wait till they come and we'll get back to you. As you can see, finally got the awning on. Just let me angle that camera a bit. I'll actually get somebody to come round and lift it up, because there's a bit of a heavy lump. So now we've got it on, might as well see it'll wind out. Well, look at that. I couldn't ask for anything better than that. Straight out. Nice smooth action. With these, it's supposed to wind it out about a couple of feet, so, and try and get the legs down. The pitch on this is coming out at too much of an acute angle for me, so I may have to alter it and lift it up a bit so it's a bit more of a horizontal feed out when it comes out. Also, it looks a bit loose, the awning itself, so it may need to be fully wound now and wound back in, just to make it a bit more taut. I don't know how they do it on the manufacturing ones, obviously that's where it's happened. But otherwise than that, happy days. Next stop, Orkney Isles. Let's try it out. Rain or shine, it's going to be given some stick. Okay, so as you can see, I managed to get somebody to give me a lift with it, and it's on the van. It's nice and tight, it's screwed in. I'll show you the screws in a little while to stop it sliding about on the brackets. But the big test now is, will it wind out? So let's give it a go. Nice smooth action, that. Very smooth. With these, you wind them out a couple of feet, then you let the legs down. So as you're winding it out even more, the legs start supporting it. You just pull the legs out bit by bit. There's quite a few videos showing you how to open them, just not many showing you how to fit them. I'm not going to get the legs down, but I'm quite happy with that. It's a nice smooth action. Self-locking into place. Next stop will be the Orkney Isles. Give it a full workout. I'm happy. Just under the awning there, quite see that, some screws that go through the bracket, and they're there to stop the awning from sliding about. Obviously while you're moving, you won't be hitting the brakes and then that goes flying to somebody, into the back of somebody's car. So these have to be done once you've put the awning in place and you're happy with the position it's in, because once it's screwed in, it's not going to move.